Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
My question is that in Surah Nisa 485, can you clarify how can we shafaat intercede bad evil for a person to Allah?
Okay. Surah Nisa 4 and Ayah 85. Man yashfa' shafa'atan hasana yakul lahu nasibu minha. Wa man yashfa' shafa'atan sayya yakul lahu kiflu minha. Wa kana Allahu ala kulli shay'in muqita. Whosoever intercedes beautiful shafaat, intercession for him, will be a portion from it. And whosoever intercedes bad shafaat, intercession for him will be a guardian or caretaker for it. And over Allah is the support of everything. Now here the word shafaat is being used, intercede is used for a bad, وَمَنْ يَشْفَعْ شَفَاعَةً سَيِّئَةً, meaning whosoever intercedes bad shafaat, intercession from him. Now you must understand, this ayah is referring in this world. It is not referring to the other side. In this world, you can see people are doing intercession for bad people. There are people who are doing good intercession, in this world, good intercession and bad intercession, shafaat, sifarish in Urdu, are doing in this world. So in this world there are people who are doing bad shafaat or intercession for bad people. And so Allah said there will be a caretaker and a guardian from it. They will be responsible, held responsible for it. Now how this word shafaat or intercession is in relation in this world, how can it take place? Allah said total shafaat or the total intercession is in the hands of God. Until He allows, you cannot do intercession. So what happens, Surah Al-Isra 17, you can wrote down the reference, 62 and 63. You know, Allah and is a conversation between Allah and Iblis. So Allah says to bow down for Adam, that's a narration there. I'm just giving you the reference which is related to our point. He says, قَالَ أَرَأَيْتَ هَذَا الَّذِي كَرَّمْتَ عَلَيَّ لَإِنْ أَخَرْتَنِي إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ لَأَحْتَنِكَنَّ ذُرِّيَّتَهُ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. Iblis said, do you see, this is the one you have honored me? Definitely, if you will give me respite towards the day of resurrection, I will definitely make him and his descendants worldly experience except a few. Further Allah says, قَالَ ذَهَبْ فَمَنْ تَبِيَكَ مِنْهُمْ فَإِنَّ جَهَنَّمْ جَزَاؤُكُمْ جَزَاءً مَوْفُورًا. He said, go away, whosoever follows you from them, surely hell is your reward and an abundant reward. Now if you note that Iblis says, give me respite. After disobeying God, he asked respite to deceive mankind. So this is given by the permission by Allah for the shaitan to do intercession on the wrong. So the people who are doing wrong shafaat become the caretaker of it, they are held responsible. But this is also done by the will of God. Because Allah said total shafaat or the total intercession are in the hands of God. But here He says, definitely if you will give me respite, meaning if you give me time towards the day of resurrection, till the day of resurrection, I will definitely make him, his descendants, worldly experience of you. So it is the devil all the time inspiring people to do wrong, and these people are doing the bad shafaat, intercession. But that is also allowed if permission granted by God. Because suppose a person wants to do a crime. I want to rob a bank. The shaitan inspires me, and now I plan and I intend to do so. Now if Allah does not will or does not give me permission to do that, I will not be able to do it. I will not be successful. But Allah wills it, I will do it. So the shafaat intercession is also through shaitan in the evil aspects. You understand what I'm saying? Even the wrong cannot take place until because he asked despite the permission to do wrong, this devil, so Allah give him this permission. He says, Qalat, go away, whosoever follows you from them, surely hell is your reward. So all the wrong intercessions in this world, shafaat, safarish, wrong safarish, shafaat, is taking place by the permission of God. And in those things also is not, sometimes you are not successful. Because Allah doesn't want it. So in the wrong also, the shafaat, bad shafaat is taking place by the permission of God, which was given to the Satan. This is how the wrong shafaat is prevailing in the world.
Thank you.
Understand? Thank you.